holidays, here's a thought. You can make some puff pastry turnover. And you can make a filling using any kind of leftover that you have at home. It may be sausage, chorizo, rotisserie chicken. You can mix that with some butternut squash or sweet potato, some melty cheese. You stuff that into the puff pastry, and then you can dip that into a bowl of guacamole, or you can add the avocado slices inside. And these will make for delicious appetizers, for a light lunch, for a light supper. There's something in Mexico that we love making for Christmas, and it's called ensalada de Navidad. And the ensalada de Navidad has your favorite fruits, such as apples, pears, bananas, grapes, and of course avocados from Mexico brand Avocado. The ripe slices go beautifully with the tart, the sweet fruit. You add some crunchy peanuts. It makes for an unexpected festive salad. And you can weave your avocados into desserts. I love doing that because they will bring in their creamy texture, their fabulous feel. I use them for mousses, for cakes, for fudgy brownies, and they're delicious in these lime cookies that you can dip into bittersweet chocolate glaze. And then last but not least, of course, drinks. You can make an eggnog, and I make a coconut avocado eggnog that I spice with nutmeg, with cinnamon, with cloves, with vanilla. You make it ahead of time, and you can just bring it out whenever you want that sip of delicious holiday eggnog. For more recipes and tips and tricks on how to find, store, and use your avocados, go to avocadosfrommexico.com.